Let's go over a couple of strategies that can help us multiply fractions and whole numbers. So the first strategy we're going to go over is just drawing a picture. So let's draw a picture for this fraction 2/3. Now that we have the model for 2/3, let's continue to do what the multiplication expression tells us, and let's draw that model 4 times. Now that the model is complete, all we have to do is count all of the thirds. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 thirds. So we can use the improper fraction 8 thirds to represent 2/3 times 4. Now, sometimes we need to leave our answer as an improper fraction, but sometimes you might need to convert that improper fraction into a mixed number. So let's go to the model and think about how we could make our improper fraction into a mixed number. So to do that, all we would need to do is make some of our fractions whole, represent whole numbers. And we could do that by moving this third here and this third here. So now I can see that I have 2 wholes and 2/3 left over. So the answer to the expression 2/3 times 4 could be represented as 8 thirds or 2 wholes and 2/3. Now sometimes drawing a picture might not be the best option. For example, in this problem, 3 times 2/9. Well, 2/9 is kind of a tricky fraction to draw, and it would take us a long time to draw it 3 different times. Now remember, when you first started to learn about multiplication, you learned it as repeated addition. So let's just rewrite this expression as a repeated addition problem. So we have our fraction 2/9, and because we're multiplying by 3, that means that we are going to add 2/9 3 times. Now that I have a repeated addition problem, all we have to do now is add the numerators, 2, 4, 6. So 6/9.